The following sentences illustrate situations in which a comma should be used. Use the comma before coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. For example, I felt happy about my new job, but the pay was not quite enough. So we have a comma before a coordinating conjunction. Number 2, we use a comma to set up interrupting or introductory words or phrases. Example, safe in the house, we watch the rainfall outside. Marie, after all, is one of 3 children. Number 3, we use a comma to separate a series of words or word groups. For example, diet, exercise, and rest all contribute to good health. The threat of runaway inflation, the heightened tension regarding foreign affairs, and the lack of quality education in many schools are issues that will be addressed. So we use comma to separate words, diet, exercise, and rest. The threat of runaway inflation, comma, the heightened tension regarding foreign affairs, comma, and lack of quality education. So we are separating those group of words. We use a comma to set up non-essential clauses and phrases that are descriptive but needed to get across the basic meaning of sentence. Such phrases are termed nonrestrictive. For example, Maria, who dislikes school, is failing English. Note, restrictive phrase is a phrase necessary to the basic meaning of sentence but must not be separated by commas. For example, the Maria who dislikes school is failing English. That means there are 2 or more Maria, but the one who dislikes school is the one who is failing English. We use a comma to set off appositives. Second noun or nouns equivalent that give additional information about a preceding noun. For example, Michael Jackson, a singer, died before his comeback concert. So, Michael Jackson is a singer. That's one sentence. Michael Jackson died before his comeback concert. So, even if you get rid of this appositive, the sentence is still complete. Number 6, use a comma to separate the elements of dates, places, addresses, degrees, and titles. Examples: dates, Monday, February 12, 2024, will be our 20th anniversary. Example for places: Kalispell, Montana is my hometown. Example for addresses: he has lived for years at 12345 Somewhere Street, Anytown, California. Example for degrees: John Boswell, MA, is soon to become John Boswell, PhD. For titles, Sam Owens, Jr., owns a clothing store in the center of town. We use comma after introductory clauses or verb phrases. For example, although I had 6 years of sewing experience, I still had a difficulty making my first wool blazer. By jogging 2 miles a day, Art lost 20 pounds during the summer. So we use comma after the introductory clause. Although I had 6 years of sewing experience, that's an introductory clause. By jogging 2 miles a day is also an introductory clause. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. This is Emmy. Have a good day.